Hi everyone, welcome to our Clean Architecture Flutter course. In this course, we are going to build a simple meme app by using a Flutter block state management with clean architecture, and we will write a unit widget and integration test end to end. Okay, for state management we will use a block pattern, and for service locator we will use a get it. Okay, so this would be our end application. This will look like this, where we will show a bunch of memes and their titles. Okay, for that we will use a open source API. Okay, fine. So why we are using a clean architecture? Okay, by using a clean architecture we will separate our projects into different three layers: presentation, domain and data, and each layer would be independent from each other. Okay, this give us flexibility to write or test cases for each layer independently. We do not need to depend on them. Okay, by using a clean architecture, uh, we have one more benefit, that let's suppose if something is changed in data layer, then we do not need to take care about our presentation and domain layer. We just need to make changes in data layer. Like, let's suppose we are we are using some kind of a JSON inside our data layer, and in future if we are using a Firebase for our backend, then we need to just change inside our data layer. Okay, how the data will be flow in clean architecture? The data would be flow from here, from data layer. Okay, data layer to our repository, then repository to our use cases, then from our presentation logic where we will define our block. From block we will pass to our widgets. Okay, then how the event will be flow? Once on the widget would be our topmost layer, where the user would be interact from our application. Once user perform some action on our widgets, then we will put some event inside our block. Inside our block, what we will do, we will call some use cases. Okay, by use cases we will call this abstract repository method here on domain layer. Okay, and this repository would be implemented on a data layer by calling required data source implementation method. Okay, so this would be flow of our application once user tap on some action. Okay, I hope this is clear how the flow would be work in our application. Okay, the main part is here. The repository is the bridge between our domain layer and data layer. You can see here. Okay, so in the next video what we will do, we will start defining our project structure. We will divide our presentation, domain and data layer in different parts. Okay, that's it for this introduction video. We will start our course from next video. Yeah, thank you.